Today I'm going to teach you how to make a proving oven using your crock pot. So if your house is anything like mine, it's really difficult to find a warm place for your dough to rise, but you can get around that using your medium to large size crock pot. So you're going to fill it half full with water, and then you're going to adjust the heat to low and take your lid and put it on with the handle facing in. And then you want to wait a few moments for the heat to rise until you can feel it through the lid there. So we'll wait until then, but then once it's ready, you can take your dough and just set it right on top of the glass lid so that the heat comes up and goes through the bottom of your bowl. And then I have my dough here covered in plastic wrap, but then you can also cover it in a tea towel. And that's how you make your own proving oven using a crock pot.